How to add products from AliExpress to Shopify. Hello, all you e-commerce venturers out there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add products from your AliExpress to your Shopify. So let's get started. Now, to start things off, you're going to want to make sure that you have the Deezers application, okay? Because without Deezers, you will not be able to add this application. So as you can see, I already have Deezers installed, so I'm going to redirect myself to my Deezers application. Now, once I go over to my Deezers, what Deezers does is it connects your Deezers account with AliExpress account. So you're going to want to make sure to create an AliExpress account on a new tab as well. Now, once you do that, what you're simply going to do from here is you're going to go ahead and create a Deezers account for yourself, okay? Now, creating a Deezers account is an absolute piece of cake. Use any email that you have. So I'm going to use this email, okay? It's a temporary mail, just to give you an example how easy it is. Add a password for yourself. And once you add a password, simply click on Create Account. Now, once you click on Create Account, it takes you through a little verifications. It might send you a code. If it does, just go to your email, cross-reference it. And once all of that is done, it's going to ask you to link to your AliExpress, okay? Now, I already have my AliExpress account logged in and linked in. So we're simply going to go ahead, choose the pricings. Obviously, it has a free plan, so I'm simply going to go with that. But if you want the advanced plans, they're pretty good. So here it says link to suppliers. You're going to link the suppliers from Deezers to AliExpress so you can actually get the AliExpress products into your store. Now, as you can see, I already have my AliExpress account good to go and running. I'm simply going to go ahead and log in with the necessary details of my account. And once my AliExpress is authorized and good to go, I can simply go to the products on the Deezers app and start drop shipping into my store. And that's pretty much about it. So that's how we're going to get AliExpress products into our Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Goodbye.